Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So a Disney account lets you access Disneyland app features like mobile food ordering, ticket management, hotel reservation, Genius services where available, and personalized park experiences. So creating an account only takes a few minutes using the Disneyland mobile app. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to create a Disney account in Disneyland mobile app, perfect for first-time users. So first thing first, using one verified Disney account makes it easy to manage your Disneyland experience. So first thing you have to do is download and open the Disneyland mobile app. First install the app if you haven't already. Open the store or App Store or Google Play Store, search for Disneyland, download and install the app. Open the app once installation is complete. You are now ready to create your account. Okay, so go to the sign in screen, like inside the app, tap the profile or account icon, select sign in if prompted, so it will be here. Okay, so it will be in the front or in the first page on the application. So tap create account to create one now. The registration form will open. Enter your personal information, fill in the required details. Typically, you will need to enter first and last name, email address, password, date of birth, country or region, and make sure all information is entered accurately, okay? And then accept the terms and create your account. Before finishing, read the terms of use and privacy policy, check the required agreement boxes, and tap create account or continue. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.